stolen, taken oh so very far. And you went crawling to a place I couldn't find. I'll keep on searching, I will not be left behind. Standing in the doorway of tomorrow, let's fight the morning and let's hold the dark. Let's use your dreams alone to map out a story. You're again, I can't pretend to understand. Let's use your dreams alone to find a path. Every word's impossible, yet every word's a part of this. And I am reaching, breaking mirrors in the sky. Pulling starlight out of the corners of your eyes. We have the choice to fear the fight of time. Or tell the other side to wait the turn by my brow. I'm inside your sweet and absent eyes. You on the better side and we can sit and criticize. Standing in the doorway of tomorrow, let's fight the morning and let's hold the dark. Tell the lies, accept the reasons why. After all, we have one life that truth can only signify. Climb inside your sweet and absent eyes. You on the better side and we can sit and criticize. And I will get there, there is no place I cannot find. I'll keep on searching and I will not be left behind. We have the choice to fear the fight of time. Tell the other side to wait their turn and mind my brow. I'm inside your sweet and absent eyes. You on the better side and we can sit and criticize. Oh, chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside. Oh, chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside. Oh, chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside. Oh, chain me down, stay close so I'll be found in the dark and all doubts will be drowned inside your heart. I broke a string.
I think that's very good going to break a string on the first song. Well done, Hannah Wood. I think that might be a first as well.